In this guide, we'll go over how to install and use the Lucky Patcher app. Please note, proceed with caution and ensure you understand the implications of using such tools. To begin, you'll need to download the Lucky Patcher APK. Open any browser and search for Lucky Patcher. Locate the official website, typically found at lucky-patcher.com. Once there, find the latest version of the APK, which is usually prominently displayed at the top of the page. If not, scroll down to locate it. After identifying the correct version, e.g., 11.6.3 at the time of writing, click the download link. On the subsequent page, select the latest APK download option and confirm the download. Once the APK file is downloaded, open it to initiate the installation process. If you encounter a warning about security risks, expand the options and select Install Anyway. Proceed carefully and follow any prompts, granting necessary permissions, and clicking Allow where required. The installation may request various permissions. Approve them to proceed. You may also encounter steps requiring you to adjust device settings to enable installations from unknown sources. After the initial installation, the app may prompt you to uninstall the installer package to finalize the setup. Confirm this action as directed. Once successfully installed, open the Lucky Patcher app, which may request further permissions to operate effectively. Grant these permissions as needed. The app interface provides multiple options, such as viewing app info, uninstalling apps, or applying patches. From the menu of patches, you can select options like APK with multi-patch, APK without license verification, or APK without Google Ads. For specific use cases, such as rebuilding an app with enabled patches, follow on-screen instructions to complete the process. If the app prompts issues, you may need to adjust system settings or give additional permissions to proceed. Follow the app's guidance, always being mindful of security risks. Once the process is complete, the app should function as intended. This guide is for educational purposes only. Use such tools responsibly and at your own discretion.